Alright mate, hello. What is up guys? Welcome to another video. Now I'm sorry I don't have my extra camera on at the moment. Oh, that was a bump. You're not going to get the cool smexy double view that I have on my other videos. But you know, it's one of those things. Part and parcel with moto vlogging or just generally basically making any videos on YouTube. It's always a bit of a faff with the equipment. That's a cool van. Westphalia. Sweet van, bro. So I just got back from my bachelor party yesterday and it's now a Monday. I'm working, so oh my god, I'm surprised I made it through the day, to be completely honest with you. I've had about 5.5 hours sleep in the past 3 days. Thank you. We went to Prague. Oh, it was amazing. I had all my best friends there. Oh goodness me, it was just so much culture. I just couldn't even take it all in, really. Drinking lots of culture as well. It was very good. Fucking hell, man. Beer in Prague is like £1.50 a pint. It's literally insane. I mean, obviously if you go to the center of the town, like the really touristy places, it's a bit more expensive. But like if you go like the back streets, which is where we were going, where all like the little cool bars and stuff were, you're going to like a proper brewery and it's like £1.50 for like a mad pint. It's pretty legit, this. I wonder if I can overtake this vanny vans. Thank you. I can really feel that I need to tighten my chain a wee bit. Simply because when you have kind of like a slightly loose chain, your throttle gets a little bit more snappy. Like you'll turn it and then it will click into action. So I think I need to adjust it a wee bit, but not a big deal. Lots of culture in Prague, loads of fun. I can't wait to do it again. My friends basically like dressed me up as the guy from The Hangover, as Alan from The Hangover. Their take on what Alan from The Hangover would look like if it was me. So I was like going around wearing pink slippers, knee-high socks, fanny pack, a massive sun hat that looked like something out of Africa or something. But man, I was money! I was money! I looked about $1 million, I gotta say.
Circle ain't no money in the air. Pop them bands and let it fly. Where I'm from, whips, candy on that money dip. By 500, I'm hood rich.
And I had to do several challenges that basically ended up with me humiliating myself in Prague. One of them was me singing in the middle of the square for 30 seconds, dressed as like Alan from The Hangover with a little cup in front of me to beg for some money. It was great. Plus it was just awesome spending time with the lads. I haven't seen them in ages. Like these are my friends who go back to school with me and stuff. Like it was just amazing. Very thankful for my friends. I guess like what I wanted to talk about in this video though was basically like kind of got a feeling that a lot of people on the internet, the sofa warriors, you know, they make people really scared of like getting on bigger bikes. That big bikes are like the all in all of power and danger, and oh, if you have a big CC motorcycle, it's gonna be harder to ride than a smaller CC motorcycle, you know, or you're gonna kill yourself on a bigger CC motorcycle than a smaller CC motorcycle, blah blah blah. Shit fucking gets said all the time, but what they don't take into account is variations of engines and variations of electronics and fueling and fucking stuff like that dumb people on the internet don't really realize. So you guys know this on my channel. I'm a firm believer on the fact that you can kill yourself up on a scooter if you wanted to, a 50cc scooter. You know, if you act stupid, you're gonna die stupid. That's just what it is, and that applies to any motorcycle engine size. I'm a firm believer that you can pretty much start on anything. There are obviously more bikes that are suitable for beginners, that are more easy going, and funnily enough, some of those bikes are actually like the big CC bikes, like the KTM 1290 Super Duke. Let's use that as an example, right? People say, oh, the 1290 Super Duke, it's like 160, 170 horsepower V-twin, motorcycle, like close to 1300 cc's V-twin, yada yada yada, power wheelies, blah 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 blah. But what they failed to kind of take into account is that that bike's not scary to ride, and you shouldn't be scared about riding a bigger cc motorcycle because somebody else tells you that you should be. It's bullshit. It gets back into this century-old thing of like guys telling each other that their dick is bigger and they know how to ride a bike, for instance, is more dangerous than you do because you're a noob, even though you'd probably be completely fine on it. The guy who said, oh, I've been riding a 1200cc motorcycle for 5 years now and I know what I'm doing. My dick's bigger than your dick and you have a little dick and you should start on a little motorcycle. It's all that. It's literally dick comparisons, and just don't fucking pay any attention to it. Like, if you think you can go on a bigger bike, start on a bigger bike. You know, that's just what I think. If you're going to be aware that you're a bit of a noob and you can't go too mental or going around corners, just rein in a little bit and take your time and learn everything and you'll be fine. Anyway, back to my point is that more often than not, the big CC motorcycle, premium stuff, either has not much horsepower on it. The Triumph Bobber, you know, it has less than 100 horsepower. It's like 76 horsepower. Whereas this thing, which has like pretty much half the cc size of the Bobber, you know, can do, you know, just close to double the amount of horsepower. Like, obviously the Bobber has more torque, but like torque's expected, and you can't go that fast. It's not just about horsepower, it's about loads of things. You can get a Harley Davidson, you know, which has 3 horsepower but has like a 1700cc engine. Like big cc motorcycles that are sportier, like the Super Duke 1290, you know, they're easy to ride because they have all the electronics. They have the modern shit, has anti-wheelie, it has insane ABS, traction control, the best of the best electronics. What's really good about them is fueling. People underestimate the power of fueling and how important fueling is for maintaining a stable throttle response, an expected throttle response. The fueling is such that if you turn the throttle, you get what you expect. It's not like a you see that? Hey man, that was Jay. He's a ledge pie on his Hayabusa with his wife, I think. See, that's like a helmet-sized dent in that woman's car. Get some wine today because Gabby and mine 2-year anniversary. This stuff's really nice, even though it's cheaper and it's co-op. It's actually amazeballs. Highly recommended. Drink responsibly. Right, gift bouquet for Gabby. Yes, I know it's £5. We've been through this before. It's the thought that counts, guys. Right, don't you fall off. You shouldn't pay attention to people on the internet. You know what you want. Go try what you want. Don't get scared about people telling you shouldn't do something or you can't do something else because they don't fucking know what's up. Flowers! Happy 2 years, baby. Hi, monkey. Hi. Hi. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Please hit that like button and remember to touch the subscriber bell, and I'll see you in the following video. Peace. Aside from my soul.